Save the redback turtles!
They're endangered.
Endangered, I say. Ooh, pretty shad!
If you take the redbacks, we will die. Hey, put this shell back on. Don't kill the redbacks.
Ollie!
Hey, put that shell back. That's bad. Don't steal the redback shell. You're gonna kill him. And if you sell the redback shell, you will die for sure.